So hello and welcome to the talk where we will be talking about and we'll be exploring the meta universe in which we'll try to rotate types at compile time. Please don't mistake it with metaverse, it's meta universe. So jokes aside, let's go. So who has been on the Herbst talk today? Almost everyone. Yeah, we'll be talking about circles as well. So circle is having the compile time reflection, which is pretty cool. So we can use this add type string in order to print the type. You can imagine that how difficult that would be in the C++20. You probably would have to end up with doing some magic with the pretty function or something like that in order to get it to work, because type ID name is undefined. In circle, you can just get the type out of this thing. So if we print types, bool and float, we'll get bool and float. Voila, that's it. Very simple, very handy. Anyone likes it? Good so far? Okay. And by the way, all the links are working. All the code is working and the links are provided, so feel free to check them out on Godbolt. But what about something more complex? Let's go to this universe, the meta universe. So here, we'll introduce an array, meta array, of types, which are dynamic types, of tuple, of bool, int, and float. Yeah, a lot of adds, oh well. But that's not the main thing here. So let's take a look more deeply what is happening here. The add types of tuple, bool, int, and float will just give us bool, int, and float. After that, the dynamic type will convert that into the meta type, which is something like AST pointer to like a pointer to AST3 in the compiler. And we'll just do it at compile time, which will do the meta stuff. So when we do the print types of pack types, which you can see here that the types can be packed again into the function call. So we have something, the array, meta array, which we can pack back into the types. So we've been in the value space, and right now we're in the type space again. And we can implicitly expand the types with ... So there is no magic with implicit, like immediate invoked function expression or something like that. And that will give us bool, int, and float. But the main, I think the most comprehensive example for circle, in my opinion, is the fact that we can do that. So we can rotate those types, and imagine that that's STL. We can do anything from we can apply any STL function we want on the meta types. We just have to prefix it with the meta keyword. And if you do that, when we print the types, we pack them again, we get int, float, and bool out of the array. So in my opinion, that's a great example how to do template metaprogramming, because you can imagine how difficult that would be in C++20. Just to, yeah, I don't even want to go there, because I don't have time. So let's all the metaprogramming, and yeah, if you're interested, Circle is available online, and on Godbolt you can find all the links and code provided.